In this kit, you will learn how to make a dried flower keychain, a color block necklace, a marbled heart charm bracelet, 2 different types of coasters, faux agate and glitter, animal print earrings, and we will even teach you how to make window and mirror clings. This kit includes 6 bottles of liquid Sculpey in a variety of colors. Liquid Sculpey is a versatile medium that starts out as a liquid but bakes to strong, flexible, lightweight, solid pieces. Also included in this kit is a bottle of liquid clay thinner, 2 reusable molds, a reusable stir stick, a toothpick, a variety of mix-ins, and all of the findings that you will need to complete the jewelry projects, and a comprehensive instruction manual that teaches you liquid clay techniques.